I'll sit on her paper.
You're right, Clive.
I'm all right now as I'm next to you.
What you like?
Don't get me excited because you put my blood pressure up.
Clive! Good grief.
She's getting it all on tape, you know, and be careful what you say.
Your bitch has been doing well. Is that my baby's sister?
Yes.
Yes, I thought it was.
Yes.
Because I've only shown him the one.
I know. I weren't sure whether you were coming today.
Well, I haven't. I'm here, but I've got no dogs. I've entered. Because I can't lift them up.
Why, get your handler working then?
He won't do it. He won't do it.
Well, you can do the walking and then he can lift up and down on the table.
He won't do it.
Well, bring him and Megan will do it.
I love how you're hiring me out.
Oh, yeah.
What's she doing now?